Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about strings in Java. Strings are sequence of characters. In Java, anything we put inside the double quotation is a string. In Java, all the strings are objects of the string class, and all the strings are immutable. Immutable meaning once we create one string, we cannot modify or make any changes to that string object. The string class in Java is located in java.lang package. That means we don't have to explicitly import the lang package. The lang package in Java is imported by default. So we can delete that line and we can still use the strings in our program. Now we're going to see how we can create one string in our program. So first we have the keyword string, then the name of the object. I'm going to call it s1. And after the equal sign, I'm gonna use double quotation. In Java, anything we put inside the double quotation will be a string. So I'm gonna pass in the string hello, and I have to close the statement with a semicolon. So in this line of statement, I have created one string object s1 and assigned the string hello. Now there is another way we can create one string in Java using the new keyword. So first we have the string, then the name of the object. I'm going to call it s2. Then after the equal sign we have the new string, and inside the parenthesis we have to pass in the string. So I'm going to pass in world, and we have to close the statement with a semicolon. So here in this line of statement we have created one string object s2 which has the string world. So in the first line of statement we have created one string s1 with the string literal, and in the second line of statement we have created one string s2 using the new keyword. So these are the way we can create strings in Java. Hope you understand the concept. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.